lecture we will continue our chapter 5 of class 10, that is arithmetic progression. In previous video we have completed till question number 3 and question number 4 part first and second we have also completed. We start from question number 4 third part, exercise 5.1. Question number 4 third part. For question number for part first and second you can check previous video. Third is minus 1.2 minus 3.2 minus 5.2 minus 7.2 dot. So what is A? A is minus 1 upon 2. Okay, what is A2? This is A2, A3, A4 and so on. So we will find first D1 क्योंकि हमें चेक करना है कि द गिवन सीरीज इज इन एपी और नॉट, एपी में है कि नहीं है. तो D1 is equals to A2 minus A1 minus 3.2 minus 1 upon 2. So it will be what? B is equals to minus minus 3.2 minus plus 1.2, that is minus 2. Minus 2 is the common difference. Okay. So D2 is what? Minus 5.2, that is A3 minus A2 minus 5.2 minus 3.2, again minus 5.2 plus 3.2, that is again minus 2. D1 and D2 are equal. Again we will try for D3, that is A4 minus A3 minus 7.2 minus 5.2. So minus 7.2 plus 5.2 minus 2. Okay. Minus 2. So we can say that D1 is equals to D2 is equals to D3. So the given series is in AP, arithmetic progression. And what is A? A is minus 1.2 and D is 2. Okay. And next three terms will be A5, A6 and A7. So A5 will be what? A5 will be A plus 4D, A plus 5D, A plus 6D. So A is what? Minus 1.2 plus minus 2 into 4. Minus 1.2 minus 8 minus 9.2. Similarly, minus 1.2 plus minus 2 into 5 minus 1.2 minus 10 minus 11.2. And if you find these, then it will be what? A plus 6D. It means minus 13.2. This will be the answer. Okay, I hope ये वाला क्वेश्चन आपको अच्छे से समझ में आया होगा. अब इसमें से जो थोड़ा सा टफ दिख रहा है बोले क्वेश्चन मैं आपको बता देता हूँ, हिंट बता देता हूँ, फिर आप कंप्लीट कर लीजिएगा. अब हम बात करें क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, इसी की 5th पार्ट की. 4th and 5th आर इजी, सो 4th इज इजी, तो आप कर लीजिएगा. 5th मैं करवा देता हूँ क्योंकि रूट में है क्वेश्चन. तो अब देखिएगा यहाँ पे 5th 3 plus root 2 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2, and so on. So A is what? This is A, this is A2, this is A3, this is A4, and so on. This is A, this is A2. So what is our common difference? Common difference will be A2 minus A1. That is 3 plus root 2 minus 3. 3 plus root 2 minus 3. So root 2 is the answer. Again, next, this is D1. So what is D2? A3 minus A2. A3 is what? 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus root 2. That is what? 3 minus 3 is 0, and 2 root 2 minus 2 root 2 will be again root 2. D1 and D2 are equal. Again we will check for D3. D3 will be A4 minus A2. So 3 root plus root 2 minus 3 minus 2 root 2. पहले हम ये ब्रैकेट में रखेंगे, ब्रैकेट ओपन होगा तो दोनों चीज़ माइनस की हो जाएगी. 3 से 3 कैंसिल, 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 is again root 2. So the common difference is equal as root 2. Got it? So here D1 is equals to D2 is equals to D3. So the given series is in the AP. And the next three terms will be this A1, A2, A3, A4. What will be A5? A5 will be A plus 4D. So what? A is 3. A is 3 here. So 3 plus 4 into root 2. So 3 plus 4 root 2. A6. A plus 5D. So A plus 5D will be 3 plus 5 into root 2. So 3 plus 5 root 2. And last A7 will be what? A7 will be 3 plus 6 root 2. This will be the answer. Okay. Next questions are again easy. 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. Okay. 10th will be easy. No problem. 9th. Question number 12th. 12th and 13th. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 देख लेते हैं. Number 12, root 2, root 8, root 18, root 32, and so on. So what is A1? A1 is exactly root 2, A2, A3, A4. So A is this, A2 is what? A2 minus A1, first D1. So root 8 minus root 2, root 8 minus root 2. हम डायरेक्टली तो इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं कर सकते, बट 8 को सॉल्व कैसे करें? 8 को हम 2 root 2 लिख सकते हैं. अब फैक्टराइज कीजिए 2 into 2 into 2. सो फर्स्ट 2 का जो पेयर होगा उसको आप ऐसा लिख सकते हैं. देखिए यहाँ पर लिख देता हूँ मैं. 8 इज रिटन लाइक 2 into 2 into 2 minus root 2. So this will be what? 2 root 2. 2 root 2 minus root 2. So what will be here? 2 minus 2 root 2 minus 2. So root 2 will be the difference. So D2, A3 minus A2. What is A3? A3 is 18. So how we can factorize 18? That is 3 into 3 into 2. 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. And what is A2? A2 is already written here. 2 into 2 into 2. So what will happen? 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2. That is only 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2. That is only root 2, 1 root 2. It means root 2. Here common difference is equal. Again, we will check one more time. That is D3. A4 minus A3. That is what? What is A4? A4 is 32. 32 means 4 into 4, or we can say 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, like this. So first pair, second pair, and A3 is already written here, minus 3 into 3 into 2. So this will be the one pair. So 2 2s are 4, root 2 minus 3, root 2 again root 2. Here D1, D2 and D3 are equal. So the given series is in AP. Okay. D1, D2, D3 are equal. So the given series is in AP. Okay, no problem. So next term will be what? A4, A5, A plus 4D. So A is root 2. 4 into, what is the common difference? Root 2. So root 2 plus 4 root 2 is 5 root 2. And if we written in this form, then we can write it as 5 into 5 into 2. That is root 50. What will be the next? A6. A6 will be A plus 5D. So root 2 plus 5D, that is 6D. 6 root 2. So 6 into 6 into 2. So 36 2s are 72. Okay. And the last one will be A7. Now you can easily find A7. I hope आपको कैसे सीरीज चेक करना है कि अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन में है या नहीं है, ये अच्छे से समझ में आया होगा. उसके रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चंस आप अच्छे से कवर कर पाएंगे. नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो लेक्चर में कंटिन्यू करेंगे. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे.